Hi everyone, Randy Craig here, standing in the middle of Sheridan Road in Winthrop Harbor. There's a bad accident right in front of the gun shop. They have the whole road blocked off at this time. If you look down at State Line Road, you see they got it blocked off from here. Not quite sure what happened. Looks pretty bad. Can you take this from me? This looks pretty bad. One of the reasons to pay attention when you're driving is life is very short how it is. Right here is the jaws of life. Looks like it versus a white pickup truck, which is right over there. Seen this happen once before. Car came up through the trees right there, got rear-ended, and the truck kept going.
I was coming this way. I was coming south, and he was behind me and smoked me.
Yeah, you were going south?
Yeah,
I
got over in the turning lane, and the lady that was standing on it said he, like, kind of followed me and stayed the same speed he was and never stopped.
It happened once before, late at night. Seen the same thing happen. What year is your pickup?
It's an 09.
Damn. It's totaled.
It's done.
Yeah, it's done. Push. How fast? How fast?
I'd probably say 60 miles an hour. He fucking pushed the whole frame.
That's how fast they fly through here.
I know. That's what I just told the cop. Every time I turn off a state line, it's 35, and you got to look 4 times.
Yeah.
People come 55 through.
Yeah, they come 55, riding motorcycles, doing wheelies down this road. It's just a matter of time. Matter of time.
I guess the other guy that was out there said that he almost hit one of the other guys that was just pulling out of it.
So he almost hit another guy?
I guess, yeah.
And then he just rear-ended you?
Yeah.
What'd that feel like?
Not good.
Are you okay?
My airbag didn't go off for nothing.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
Wow.
Unreal, man. It's done. It's a 2500, man. To do that, he had to have been going 50.
It broke your back window out?
It blew out the window.
Holy cow, that must have been scary. Where was he coming? Wisconsin? Just coming from this way.
No, it looks like Illinois, but it's...
They had to take him out with the jaws, I see.
Hopefully he's okay, man. He hit me hard, and they said his airbags went off, so I'm sure he ain't feeling good.
Well,
what's that?
Glad you're okay.
Oh, thank you.
Have a better day.
Yeah, why were you sitting there? Would you mind if I give you a number in case I got to do anything for insurance?
Oh, he almost took this guy out, and this guy turned,
Okay, because
and then he ran into this guy, according to the story. I've seen this happen once before. Cars flying up Sheridan Road, rear-ended a guy, pushed him through the bushes, and then took off up south down Sheridan Road. Officer just stated it's a crime scene. Wanted me to stay back a little bit.
Miles over the speed limit. Yeah, I guess that's...
People are claiming that he was doing about 60 miles an hour down Sheridan on the impact.
The cop sits right there catching people coming. And the cop was going to pull him over just before he hit the guy.
The officer was going to pull the red car over just before he ran into the guy. The officer was sitting right over here by the gun shop. The guy that was hit. Chastity's down there helping direct traffic. She's so cute. Okay, I guess this is a crime scene because the car crashed into somebody at a high speed. Yeah, I seen the jaws laying in the road over there. So, looks like a bruise on your...
Car coming this way. I was completely stopped, and I went to go start turning. By the time I went to turn my wheels and go, smacked me, pushed me up to like here, and then I straightened out and got out of the middle of the road.
Okay, friends and family are out helping pick up the tools. So many tools flew out of the back of that pickup truck when it got hit, about 60 miles an hour. There is times that I see motorcycles 80 miles an hour doing wheelies down this road. Not sure exactly what happened, but gotta be careful, everybody. Be careful. I think they're fight for life in this guy, but we'll see what.
Thank you guys for helping grab these and stuff.